The next part of the assignment is going to be what to expect when you're working on your assignment, your presentation. This is the fourth grade history presentation rubric, and you will find yours in your shared with me drive, just like you found the document and the presentation template. So I want you to look at your rubric a little closer. I'm just going to kind of breeze over to show you what it looks like. The content, that means the information you found. You haven't just made up facts for the Nebraska State history. You've actually gone to one of those links that I shared with you or your social studies book to find good, credible information. So if you score a 5, you're accurate as information, it's current, and it's presented in a logical order. And you can see that what each category means. A 1, content is inaccurate and information is not presented logically. It's hard to follow. When you're completely finished with your presentation, and I'll tell you when to do this, you will share this rubric with me, and I will actually highlight the areas in which you scored. Then you and your partner will see the grade that you scored on this rubric. It should be a really neat way to do this. What you need to worry about, or focus on I should say, is the creation. Now I've already sent you a template, but what's important is that you are able to make sure that it's flowing in order from one slide to the next. The slide transitions, and I will show you a video on how to kind of spice up or customize your presentation so it's not just white with the black font on it. You can really put some neat features to it. Pictures and backgrounds, those are going to be images that you're going to find from Google in which you're copying those. And a really neat feature is if you, and I'll show you how to do this, but if you copy your image into a drawing and then you can add some really cool word art to it, that's a neat feature as well. And that's usually used for a document, but I believe there's a fun way you can do that. Mechanics deal with spelling errors. Think of your writing traits that you normally use. If there's spelling mistakes, or if you just copied it straight from the internet, that's called plagiarism, which you cannot do. So you need to make sure that you are putting the words in your own words. Technology connection as well is if you're going to use the links that I provided for you, and that you're not just asking me every couple of seconds what to do. If you and your partner can work together, you can use the chat feature. You can even talk to each other about this, and you can write messages in your presentation to work really hard at this. So that's the technology connection. You don't need to share this with me right now since you're not finished. This will be a very end of the year thing to share with me, and I'll give you more information as we get closer. Thank you.